Hello, hi, welcome to Electro Science. Today I came up with new project password based circuit breaker. The main objective of this project is in general power distribution system across any feeder any problem occurred the lineman will go the before the lineman will shut down that feeder, turn off that feeder and go to that particular feeder and do the maintenance work. In some cases, at substation, some persons are unknowingly they can turn on that particular feeder. The persons who are working on that particular feeder will cause electric shock and sometimes that may cause death also. In order to avoid the unauthorized persons to turn on the particular feeder or and turn off the particular feeder at the substation, we need we provided a security system by providing the password. Now I will explain how to provide the security to turn on any particular feeder or to turn off any particular feeder by using this project. Before explaining the working of the project, let us see the components of this project. Let us see. This is as this is as feeder 1, this is as feeder 2, and the components, this is as 2 channel relay, and this is 20x4 LCD display, this is Arduino module, and this one is 4x4 matrix keyboard, and this one is buzzer. Now I am going to turn on the power. Let us see. Now I turn on the power supply. Initially it is showing press as key to enter the password. Why? Because in order to control these two feeders, to turn on the feeder or to turn off the feeder, we need to give the right password. In order to enter the password, we need to press hash button. Now I am pressing the hash button. Then immediately it is asking enter the password. Now I am entering the password as 4 ones, 1 1 1 1. Then immediately it is showing success. Then we see the feeder 1 is in off state, feeder 2 is also in off state. In order to turn on that particular feeder, we need to press the password as 1. Now I turn on the feeder 1. It is feeder 1 is in on state. Now in order to off, you need to press the same button 1. So the feeder 1 is off. Similarly, I want to turn on the feeder 2, I need to press the 2. So feeder 2 is in on state. Similarly, in order to turn off the feeder 2, I need to press the 2 button again. So similarly, here I used 2 channel relay. In case if you use 4 channel relay, you can control the 4 feeders at a time. So here for the 2 channel relay, I connected the 2 feeders. Similarly, in case you use 4 channel relay, you can control third one also. So see here it is in on state. Now I press 3, it is in off state. Similarly for 4 I press, it is in on state. For 4 again I press, then it is in off state. So this is the overall controlling of any particular feeder if the person who knows the password only. So that we can deny the unauthorized persons to access that one, right? So in order to come out of this and go to home, we need to press the hash button. Now I press the hash, then it is showing again the home menu. So in case if you want, in that I can provide one more feature is, in case if you want to change the password, you need to press the star key to so it is showing press star to reset the password. So I am pressing star. Now it is asking enter old password. I am entering my old password as 1 1 1 1. So it is showing match password. Now it is asking enter new password. Now I am entering the new password as 123A. So it is showing password saved successfully. Now we will check whether it is working or not. Now I am pressing the star and entering the old password as new password as 123A. So it is showing success. So now we will control the feeders. So for controlling feeder 1, I am going to press 1. So it is in on. So in order to turn off that, I need to press 1 again. So it is off. In order to control the feeder 2, I need to press 2. It is turned on. In order to turn off that feeder, I need to press 2 again. So similarly for if you connect multiple loads, similarly for 3 4 and also. So this is the overall working of this project. Hope you enjoy this project. If you like, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.